Can you clean the floor? Are you going to clean the window? Okay. I'm going to clean the door frame. Good job! What else you going to clean? You clean the floor? No, that's a door. And there's the manager. Alright. Good job! Alright. Clean the door. Can you clean the back side of the door now? Okay. Clean the wall. Wall definitely needs it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's see what else we can clean. Whoop! God bless you.
And when you factor in 34 miles per gallon, well, we're saving a lot.
You clean the floor?
What should we do with the extra money?
Jeremy?
I'm liking the extra funds. What about?
How about the refrigerator? Look, right here. Come on. Hey, clean the fridge. Yeah, atta boy. Make sure it's good and clean now.
Did Patrick Dempsey turn a blind eye during the Isaiah controversy?
Okay. Cabinet. Door. Oh, Jeremy, look right here. Look. Need you to clean your chair. Good boy.
So are you a true
Okay. Jeremy, how about Daddy's chair right here? You clean Daddy's chair? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Are we all done? Good job! Oh, look at Sam needs cleaning. Sam's got, look at right here. Sam's got stuff on her. Want to clean Sam? Yeah. Oh, here, clean Sam. Can you clean Sam right here? Can you clean her? Let's see you clean Sam. Yeah. I think he's going to clean her hiney.
Here, Sam, come back.
Don't let go. Don't let go of it.
You weren't even
Sam,
trying.
Sam, come down here. Here.
Don't let go. Don't let go of it.
Let's see what life looks like.
What's that?
Want to hold it? Here you go. I'll walk around and take some video.
Say hi, Uncle Jimmy. Hi,
Hey.
Uncle Jimmy. What else? All your toys over there? Huh?
Where's Sam?
Where's Sam? Let's get Sam on the video. Oh, good job. Yep, there she is. Good. See Sam? Say hi, Sam. Oh, little Sam. Good job, little guy. Here, let's see. You can shut it off. And there's Jimmy again. Just zoom in. Oh, there. Not too. Oh.